Hey, it's a Cisco configuration time. This tutorial make you capable to do some of the common tasks that every network engineer should know, like configuration including hostname, domain name, banner, passwords, BTY lines, IP address, and save the configuration to the switch permanently. Hello, namaste, it's me, your tech YouTuber Lakparinji. Welcome to my channel. Configuring hostname is one of the most basic configuration tasks. It is used to define the name of the device. Each device on a network should have a unique host name. I assume that you already have some basic knowledge of a command line interface and how to navigate between different configuration modes like user mode, privilege mode, and the global config mode. So let's get started in a packet tracer. Command line interface. Banner is used to displaying a short message when a user login to a device. There are various types of banners. The mostly used banners are message of the day, login, message of the day. This banner is used to display a temporary short message to the users. Let's get started in a packet tracer. Communication devices on a network require a unique identification addresses called IP addresses to communicate to each other. After configuring the host name and banners, now it's time to configure the appropriate IP addresses on the switch. Configure the IP addresses as our module. Let's get started in Packet Tracer. After configuring the IP addresses on a switch, now we will discuss how to configure the IP settings on the PCs in Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's have a look in Packet Tracer. Access Authentication Passwords. After configuring all the host name, banner and IP addresses, now let's set time for the credentials like username and passwords for the different user label of the switch like console, user exec mode and login. Let's get started in packet switcher and verify the authentication. After completing these all authentications, let's have a look for the remote configuration authentication, that is Secure Seal Authentication SSH. Secure Seal. Secure Seal SSH is a network protocol used to remotely access and manage the device. To enable secure access to your Cisco device, you can use SSH instead of Telnet. To enable SSH on a device, we should follow the certain steps like setting up a hostname and a domain name to the device, configure the local username and passwords. Then after that, we should generate the RSA public and private keys using the username and the domain name of the device. For the Secure Seal, we have to choose the latest version of Secure Seal protocol, that is version 2. Then we should set SSH version 2. Then in the VTY line, we have to allow only SSH access to the users. Let's get started in a packet tracer. First, we have defined the device host name. Next, we have defined the domain name, that means IP domain name. After that, the local user is created by using username and passwords. After that, we have to generate the public private RSA keys for encryption. After that, we should define the most recent version of the protocol, that is SSH version 2. This is done by using the IP SSH version 2 global configuration command. Next, we need to enable only the SSH access to the device. This is done by using the transport input SSH command. Let's have a look in a packet tracer. After completing this all, we came at the end of the session. Then we have to save all the configurations permanently to the switch. To save the configuration permanently to the switch. That's all.